I'm Debra Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. Well, there wasn't a ton of news this week, but what news we did get was really big news. GW Pharmaceuticals got their approval from the FDA for their epilepsy drug, Epidiolex. Now, here's the thing. The FDA did not say anything about the rescheduling. They said they made a recommendation to the DEA and reminded everyone this is a Schedule I drug. Now, GW Pharmaceuticals had a different take, and they said rescheduling would take place within 90 days. Of course, the DEA doesn't have to follow the FDA's recommendations. Then we just had elections this week, and Oklahoma became the 30th state to legalize medicinal marijuana. We got some earnings numbers from Canopy Growth. They reported that their fourth quarter revenue rose 55% to 22.8 million Canadian dollars. That's up from last year's 14.7 million. Still, though, the company reported a net loss of 61.5 million Canadian dollars. That was 31 cents a share. That's a much higher than last year's loss of 8 cents a share for the same time period. Now, for the whole year, revenues jumped 95% to $77.9 million. Then Aurora Cannabis agreed to a new $200 million debt facility with the Bank of Montreal. $150 million of that is a term loan and $50 million is a revolving credit. We have some acquisitions to talk about. EVIO Labs is acquiring MRX Labs and extractors. Now, here's the thing, MRX extractors will be able to focus on their extraction business, while MRX Labs will work with EVIO and do their lab work. Then we have Marapharm Ventures. They are entering into an agreement to purchase all the shares of Full Spectrum Medicinal. Harvest One signed an agreement to purchase the Australian-based MMJ Phytotech, and PotNetworks filed to change their name to BioTech Hemp. And that's it for this week. I'm Debra Borchardt reporting for the Green Market Report from Times Square. Everyone, have a great weekend.